Koro duol mochung' ne tayo piem e kind ohelni mapacho kaendi CAK koro oseketo winjruok mar nyayo ohala kod nyawadgi mayudore riwruog pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe kata East African Community Competition Authority. Jata tije makojolo mar CAK Dr. Adano Wario ne owacho ni winjruok makamano biro jiwo ohala e kind pinje auchiel mag Afrika ma ugwe ka iketo chike maneno ni ohelni nyalo piem e yo makare makelo ber.
Both the East African Competition Authority and Kenyan competition law allows us to partner with member states or other competition agencies in order to promote trade and cooperate in a way that is coherent and also allows us to efficiently exchange information. What this will do is that it will allow us to do a number of activities in a more systematic manner, where we'll be able to do investigations across the region, where member states have issues to do with the lack of understanding of trade issues, and also we'll be able to sensitize businesses and other clients to the agencies in terms of what they need to know for them to be compliant with the competition law.